I think Seva like this definitely helps the next generation in understanding how do they give of themselves without really wanting to get anything back. My name is Sonal. In 1992, I actually took a semester off from Boston University at the time and went for Seva in Gandhinagar and stayed in India for 6 months and did Seva at that time. I think between then and now is, what I saw in 1992, there weren't a lot of youngsters, right, that were participating in Seva. Yes, they were there within India, but in the US, you really didn't see a lot of Haribhaktas taking the kind of Seva that you see today. The youngsters that took years and semesters off from work and colleges, so I think it's come a long way since then. For me, this is not at all related to my IT field. However, what I do feel it helps with, if I have to do anything in my house or be able to do DIY projects. For example, when I bought my house, I had build-out closets, so I did a lot of my measurements, as well as, looking at what's really going to be the best fit within my house. So I went to IKEA back and forth, designed, measured, and made sure that everything fit. And then when everything was put together, it's really come out nicely.